Mr. Romualdez was supposed to have a checkup in Singapore, I think. They were trying to ask us to allow him to leave. But because we have a bulletin, a lookout order with immigration about those that who are under investigation, we did not respond favorably to the request that he be allowed to leave. Because, ano yan eh, magkakaroon na naman ng haka-haka at kuro-kuro yan. Mabuti lang, sana naman, dito lang siya magpa-check up. Kasi naman, magagaling naman ang doktor natin dito. Actually, they were burning the lines yesterday and up to this morning. But I held my ground. Sabi ko, when you join government, you already surrender your right to travel, especially to another jurisdiction, especially if you're under investigation.
Kailan sana siya lumiyahe sa Singapore?
Today dapat. Hindi namin siya pinaalis, hindi namin pinayagan na ma-lift yung bulletin niya kasi nga, naka-lookout order because we've been investigating him actively. Baka hindi na bumalik eh. We don't want that to happen.
Sinabi po ba niya kung ano sakit na ipapagamit?
Well, siguro heart, sugar, diabetes, heart, usual diseases of our generation. 5 araw yata hinihingi. Kaya lang, syempre nga, ang problema dyan, para namang sobrang coincidental na nahuli si Saldico sa Europe, bigla siyang aalis. Baka mamaya, wala na tayo mapanghawakan dito sa bansang ito. Lahat ng ating nais pasagutin, mawala na lang sa ating jurisdiction. Nag-iingat lang po tayo. Pinag-iingatan natin ang karapatan ng ating bayan din. May karapatan din tayo mga Pilipino na sabihin sa kanya, wag muna umalis.